Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today's topic is about VLAN. Basically, enterprise network or data center and the service provider network. The VLAN they use both stands for virtual local area network. So what is proposed? The first is used for escalation. In a LAN, hosts send broadcast packet to outside world. Since the world turn on, however, have too many hosts can easily cause broadcast storm. The second, it prevents spread of many internal network viruses that may not necessarily come from outside, but could spread within the LAN. If a host in a company or in the same LAN, it becomes very unsafe, since one infected computer can spread to other hosts. This is where VLAN comes in. It can divide a large LAN into many small LANs and assign interface to VLAN on switch. Different interfaces belong to different VLAN, and these VLANs are completely isolated from each other, ensuring security. That's the role of VLAN on layer 2 switches. Okay, the video ends here today. If you have any questions or other technologies you want to know, please leave a message below. Remember to subscribe my channel. See you again, buddy.